So someone asked me, hey Sam, what should I buy? A lens or a body? What will give me better quality? What is a better investment? And this is the video that's gonna answer that question. So this is what's gonna happen in this video. I'm gonna take the Canon EOS R and pair it up with a cheap lens. It's the 18-55, it's a kit lens. I'm not gonna say crappy, I'm gonna say more like an affordable lens. This lens is worth $250. We're gonna put it on the Canon R, see what results we get there. And we're gonna take the M50 and we're gonna pair it with the 24-70. This is a $1,500 lens. I'm kind of curious to see what results we get. So in order to keep it fair, what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep the lens both at 55 or 50, because that's what the 18-55, the kit lens, goes up to. And we're also gonna keep the aperture at 5.6, because once you zoom in all the way to 55, the aperture changes to 5.6. And I don't know why. You're gonna have to call Canon and ask them that question. This is gonna be my model for the day. Carmen, my wife, she's always my model. Look at me.
Oh, that one's not, yes. I love that.
Okay, just stay right there, 50. One. Over, 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Not bad, right?
Not bad.
I feel like the M50 look better though, right? Man, let me tell you, it looks like the same picture on both cameras. So I'm kind of doubting, not doubting, but questioning myself. Like, is the lens really that important when you have a good body? Or is it better to have a better lens with the body? I mean, you can see the results. I haven't seen them yet. I just saw behind the screen and I'm extremely surprised. I guess if you got good lighting and you keep everything in the same position and same everything, they kind of look the same. All right, guys, so there you go. Those are the results. What do you think? Do you think the lens is more important or do you think the body is? I mean, you tell me. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing, like, comment, share, and I'll see you next time.